the Vice President, not necessarily VP Sara. All the Vice Presidents, past, present, and future, are looked at as spare tire. But if you really think about it, the Vice President should be as prepared as the President. Should anything happen to him, who assumes the responsibility? It's the Vice President. And keeping her out of the loop, whoever the Vice President is, keeping her out of the loop or not being able to provide funds for her projects and programs, not being able to support the Vice President is a great disservice to the country. Because if anything happens and the Vice President is forced to assume the position of President, we cannot give her a lot of time to study and allow her to go with the learning curve, how long it is going to take. We don't know. We cannot. We need a Vice President who is always ready to assume. And the services that are now being delivered by the Vice President through her office is a way of preparing herself just in case anything happens from now until 2028. Otherwise, it's just, it's all in a day's work. Our programs, our plans, our activities, funded or not by Congress, it's all in a day's work. We'll still complete the job that she has promised to do in 2022, and she continues to fulfill it, and she will make sure to see through all those promises fulfilled in 2028 by the end of her term.
Bahala na sila dyan. Kahit sino mamanalo, asawa ko din masusunod.